Show Logan how to jump.
Logan's turn.
Okay, jump, Logan. There he goes.
My turn.
Okay, Kenna jump. Whoa, look at that big jump. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Can you help me, Mom?
I'll help you.
Are you ready, Mom?
Okay, I'm ready. Whoa. You need some help?
I'm okay, Mama.
You're okay. Oh, good. Do one more big jump. Wow. Can you give Logan a kiss?
Okay, Mom.
Aw, he likes that.
Whoa.
Whoa, he's jumping.
He's jumping, Mom.
Yes.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Say bye-bye.
I don't say bye-bye, Kenna.
You don't say bye-bye, Kenna? Let me help you up.
Okay, Mama. I by myself.
You did it by yourself. Good job.